Discover the fascinating science behind GPS navigation. GPS has transformed how we navigate and explore our world. GPS comprises three key components working in harmony. GPS satellites continuously transmit precise location and timing data. By analyzing signals from at least 4 satellites, GPS receivers can determine your exact location. Atomic clocks on GPS satellites provide the precise timing data crucial for accurate navigation. GPS has revolutionized industries worldwide, enabling new levels of efficiency and precision. GPS will continue to evolve, integrating with emerging technologies like autonomous vehicles and the Internet of Things. GPS has opened up new frontiers, enabling us to explore and understand our world like never before. The control segment ensures the health and accuracy of the GPS system. GPS has become an integral part of our daily lives, enabling us to navigate and explore with unprecedented precision. Discover the fascinating science behind this revolutionary navigation system that has transformed our world. Explore further resources to deepen your understanding of GPS technology.